how to use Google Bard to create jokes. So let's get started. To begin, open your browser and type bard.google.com. If you haven't logged in yet, I suggest doing so before proceeding. We decided to put our ingenious digital companion, Google Bard, to the ultimate test by tasking it by crafting a joke that perfectly captures the timeless rivalry between dogs and cats. And what did we uncover? Well, that's where the thrill begins. It's a fitting homage to the AI's ever-evolving sense of humor. With a sample prompt like, share a joke about dogs and cats, invoking Google Bard conjures forth an instant and seemingly magical delivery of a joke that's bound to tickle your funny bone. Yet, fear not if your initial attempt doesn't quite land the punchline you envision. Exploring the drops open up a realm of additional choices, ensuring plenty of laughs to choose from. That's it. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.